Hello, all, very good morning. We start up. Everybody ready? Are you able to hear me all? Padma? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Uh, Yesterday we were facing some issue, right? No issue really. We were wasted 1 hour time. Simple. So, location is different. That's only the problem yesterday. So, let me show you what is the problem exactly. So, just a second. See. For your automation, this is the framework, right? Okay, test scripts. So let me open that folder. uh, Function library. Okay, this is the drive. Each and everything I verified. Okay, copy paste. This is the problem. In this computer, C drive, E drive is not there. C drive. Hello, are you able to hear me? You are able to hear me, right? So this is the problem yesterday. C drive we have to pass. In this computer, actually I have copied from another computer, right? So another computer E drive is there, but in this computer C drive. Simple thing, 1 hour is wasted. Yeah, as soon as I end up our session, I got realized, oh, this is what I missed out. Okay, fine, no issues. Okay, so okay, then before that, before executing this script, what I have to do is I have to log in at least once Salesforce application. So right, so it may ask for again that code. So let me log in once. Oh, internet got slow. No, it was very good. Hello, what happened? Okay, I hope you are hearing, right? Oh god, it's doing nonsense. Okay, what I do is I will try to execute practical oriented, we'll go later. So we'll try to discuss the thing is the functions. For that one application doesn't require. Okay, so let me check it up just a second. Results, let me go results, nothing is here, right? So actions, I made it comment, so only functions I'm trying to execute. Okay, so I saved this one. Yeah, perfect, saved. Okay, again it's giving error. Generated, right? Okay, so this is what you are expecting. Okay, this is what you are expecting, right? So test step, expected value, actual value and result. Okay, okay, so whenever you are executing test case 1, you will be passing in header like 1, so it will try to execute, it will create like test case 1.xml, test case 1.xls. If you are executing test case 2, here you will pass 2, so test case 2.xls. So 3 you are executing, so here you will pass 3, test case 3.xls. N you are passing, so test case n. Okay, so once you create header, so what is your next job? So you have to find out what is immediate blank row, and whatever the step is getting executing, that step you have to log there. Okay, so for that one again we have to come up with one more function, so log in detail report. Okay, so function log in detail report, right? Okay, yeah, this is the function. So I'll just come up with it's very simple. So let me go for new. So set object excel equal to create object excel dot application. Okay, so then what I have to do is I have to open the existing file, right? So set object workbook equal to object excel dot workbooks dot open. Okay, so here what I do is I'll give path directly. Okay, so this is the path I will give directly. So normally while running script, your script will take care, you don't want to worry, but here I will just show you. Excel doesn't open, right? So let me close this one. Okay, then what I have to do is, okay, so I have to find out immediate blank row, right? So what is this one? Okay, so what you have to find out, what is immediate blank row. Okay, so if you find out this row number, column you are aware of. Okay, so test step is in first column, expected value is in second column, actual value is in third column, result is in fourth column. The columns you are aware of, but only the thing is you have to find out what is immediate blank row. For that one, the logic is very simple, you may be aware of. Okay, so what is the logic? So for I equal to 1 to object excel dot rows, no, cells. Okay, cells, sorry, rows dot count. Okay, so if object excel dot cells, okay, so this is I, right? Row number will get vary, comma, column is first column, right? First column, a prefixing dot value equal to blank. Okay, so first it will look for I will be first one, right? So first row first column, first column is equal to blank, no, so I'll get increment 2 comma 1. So second row first column is equal to blank, yes. Okay, if it equal to blank, then what you have to do, I, one variable you can define, blank row equal to I. Okay, so you have to assign it to 0, right, initially. So one variable origin means you have to assign it to 0 initially. int blank row we will make it. Okay, int blank row. So you are aware of rows and columns. I'll just copy paste, it will take some time. Okay, I have to type means it will take time, so I just copy paste. So okay, that's it. Okay, so it will find out blank row. Whenever it is blank, that row it will go, and step, expected value, actual value, result. So for this one you will be passing like 4 parameters. So function in detail report. Okay, so you will be passing 4 parameters to this function. So then you will be reporting that steps, right? So logging into Gmail application, then what is your next step? So here what is expected value? Login page should get navigate something. I don't have patience here, you can type whenever you have okay. So logging, I'm giving a concept. So logging into expected value is login screen should get navigate as expected. So login screen navigated successfully as expected. Okay, login screens navigated successfully as expected. So result is pass. Okay, then username entry, then username you have to enter, right? So username should get entered as expected for username field. So username enter successfully as expected, result is pass. Like this. Then password, exactly like that you can give password. Then you have to click on sign in button. So home page should get navigated as expected. Then finally, as soon as you click on okay, so home page should get navigated as expected, right? So like this you can give steps. If you run, let me close Excel file. Okay, so if I execute now, it should get log the steps accordingly. Okay, is this nonsense here? This is correct, each and everything correct. It's very very difficult to find out what is the issue. This each and everything is correct, but the thing is hmm, hmm. So that means something wrong here. Okay, so yes, I got it. uh, Exit for, no, just a second. Oh yeah, I got it. So this is the problem. So this one you have to put outside of for. Okay, so exit for. Okay, so this is the stuff you have to give. Very simple thing. Okay, good practice. Okay, so as soon as you found blank row, okay, you have to exit. Just that's it. As soon as you found blank row, you have to exit from that loop. That's it. Okay, so see, as soon as you say, you have to close. So why means here each and every time you are creating object, right? So each and every time it will give you like new object, new Excel file. So new Excel file, if you open, already one file you open, if you try to open the same file again, it will give you like read only mode, right? That is what here is causing. So every time you have to close. If you close every time, it will give you. Okay, so object excel dot close or quit, it may take quit. Okay, so you quit and uninitialize values, so it should work out. Okay, so here I am doing nothing, I am just trying to find out immediate blank row. What is immediate blank row? Okay, so then I am trying to assign values to there. Just that's it, that's what I am trying to do. Okay, so if you go for like your result file, this is one nonsense. You have to close. These many files open, you see. You are seeing, right, how many files open. If you don't close, this is the problem you will come across. Those many times it's open, right? Okay, see these many files, it will give you this one, yes or no. Okay, it has logged in, only one step got logged, so like that each and every step gets logged. Okay, so this one what we do is we'll try to implement in our script exactly this one. So we come up with the comments, those if condition will try to add in another session. But here my point is like you got concept, right? So how you will come up with okay. Okay, so uh, I don't know, if I disconnect again it will problem. QTP how to plug in again. So if you go for those reusable actions, so here I didn't modify, so login I have modified, right? So each and everything gets up properly. Exactly, if you go for logout, what are the steps you are updated, is working fine. So it's getting fine here, but so application is not logging in. It's a slow, it's working but it's little bit slow. So it seems some problem with application, Salesforce application. Okay, see other applications able to navigate, but Salesforce unable to log in, unable to launch. Okay, oh it's logging in, yeah, perfect. Okay, so this is how you can come up with like your in detail kind of reports. Exactly, you cannot come up with like summary kind of reports. Okay, so exactly you cannot see summary kind of report also the similar way. Test case ID you are passing, so test case name, test case description and STR result. So first summary report you are coming up with like header file you have to create, right? So where is header file? Yeah, here I come up with, here you see. Okay, so here what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to create test step, expected value, actual value, result. No, this is not in detail, this is for in detail, this is for in detail. So for summary, see here the thing is like if you want to come up with summary kind of report, again with a little bit modifications you can come up with, but here I didn't come up with. Why is like so if I go my framework, so which kind of framework I'm coming up with? Master driver. If I go, oh, master driver, here I have to come up with, I will tell you why here I have to come up with that function is, so Salesforce application automation, if we go where master driver. Okay, so this Excel I'll copy there, result inputs, no, not inputs, master driver. So this is the result. So what I'm trying to do here is night execution. So I'm trying to pass test case IDs, test case description, and if you're passing while executing, so the Excel file already there. So you don't want to come up with header file, something like that. Header file and creating Excel file. So once execution done, what you have to do? Only you have to update these fields, right? These fields you have to update. So that one where I am updating is like in master driver I will be coming up with. One more we have pending like master driver. So this is nothing but like VB script file. So for executing those scripts unattended mode, you will be coming up with this master driver. Okay. So with the help of this master driver, here you are directly updating. Here you see Excel I, 4 str result. Okay. Execution flag set to n. Okay. So here you are commenting, right? So this is what I will explain you later. There are so many ways you can come up with like in detail reports and summary kind of reports. Here you are not passing, this is the way test night execution.xls. So at that time you have to create summary file dynamically, and whatever the test case is executing at the end of the test script, you can go for the summary report and write each and everything. That is one way. Another way is you are passing the script functions already, right? Night execution.xls you have already passed each and everything. You are passing execution on this one, you try to execute. Once execution done, you have to update these columns. Okay. So at that point of time, I come up with this is the logic here. Okay. You may get little bit confused. You don't worry. We'll be implementing, right? At that time, you'll get very clear picture. Okay. So yeah, it seems like some internet is having problem, so it's taking too much time. So execution portion we'll see tomorrow. So here that is the way you can come up with like your what do you say, like functions. Okay. So this is the way initially you will come up with like first what we did was initially we come up with like reusable actions. For those reusable actions you were inserted in main scripts. Okay, we come up with functions, then we read data from XLS and we made it like parameterization. Then what we done was summary kind of reports we come up with, detail kind of reports. So detail kind of reports, functions header, and meanwhile like and in detail steps event you have to log, right? For that one again you come up with one more function. Then this one in like a summary kind of report I will explain you like during implementing our driver. Okay. So while implementing driver stuff at the time I will be explaining how it works out. Any questions, anybody? No questions? Okay. So here if art application, if we execute means how it will generate reports is like this is the way. I could have shown you already, but I will show you once again. So I could have executed, but application is a little bit slow. So results, error results. So this is how it looks like this it will be getting generating. Okay. Accordingly you have to give steps. Okay. Okay. So shall we come up with the steps for this one, for this lead? Anyway we have time. Okay, that master driver that means like you have to execute all these scripts unattended mode, right? So that one anyway we will take care, tomorrow we'll take care. So now what we do is we have no other option, we'll just come up with the steps. Okay, you will get a clear picture. Okay, so it's like practice kind of stuff we can say. Okay, we'll come up with the steps. Okay. So mm, so before that, I will let me copy that one. Sorry here. Uh, okay. As soon as you click on new create new link, you are clicking here with the help of this code. You're clicking on create new link, right? So that pop-up needs to be comes up. What is that pop-up? Some pop-up it will give you, and this link will see if that link is available. Okay, if that this lead link is available means, so what you can say, so pop-up with options, validating pop-up, pops up with options, with different options like create new lead, new contact, new service, something like that. Some options it will give you, right? So that is what, okay, pops up with options, different options. Different options, okay, options functionality. So options pop up should get pops up as expected, should get pops up as expected. So then popped up successfully as expected. So not not popped up successfully as expected. So we'll follow like similarity. So then so once you click on that link, okay, so what is the link you are clicking? New lead link, validating click on lead link functionality, okay. So click operation, lead link should get clicked as expected. So lead link should get click as expected. So not this one you have to get, okay. So you're clicking and it will navigate to another page, right? So that page some object you are taking, okay. If that object is available, lead link clicked successfully as expected. Lead link clicked successfully as expected. Result is pass. Okay, so exactly here lead link not clicked in case if that object is not available. Okay, not clicked successfully as expected, result is fail. So then once you enter what you are entering here, so this is pop-up, no, this is list box. Okay, dot lead list dot get ro get ro property value. So what is the value you are selecting here is like equal to salutation, whatever the value you are given in your excel file, inputs.excel file. Okay, so then validating salutation select functionality. Okay, so salutation should get selected as expected. Salutation should get selected. Okay, expected salutation selected successfully as expected, then result is fail. Okay, not selected successfully as expected. Okay, so here selected. Okay, here expected selection what is expected selection, this is what, right? So whatever you are passing in our excel file. Okay, but actual you can see what is the value is selecting, right? This one you have to, it's little bit tricky. Okay, so you are passing data in case if it is failing, so what is expected, what is actual, you are displaying, so that you are providing complete description, you are providing complete description. Okay, so at that point of time this is the one you are doing. Okay, so what is the value is selecting, you are getting displaying here, that's it. Okay, so exactly first name, last name, middle name, each and everything you have to come up with like this. So just here first name you have to give. Okay, entering username for username edit box. entering username for username edit box. Okay, so username should get entered as expected. Username should get enter for username edit box as expected. So what is this? Is step to execute description username entered successfully as expected, result is pass. Else, okay, username not entered successfully as expected, so you have to give complete description. Means it's very simple. So expected value, expected result. Okay, what is expected result? User this name should get entered. This one you are getting from your XLS file. This name you are getting from XLS file. In case is not entered, actual value is you have to get from your application, right? So this is what you are getting from your application. Okay, so then you have to give here actual result captured from your application. Okay, so that is what you can give. Each and everything you have to come up with like this exactly. Okay, exactly. Then for password, so you can replace username with password. So sorry, this is for last name here. Oh god. Okay, this is for last name you have to give. Here I am giving last name, then password you have to replace it to last name. Okay, what I do is if I get time I will try to come up with entering all these fields. Okay, so I will make it perfect for tomorrow, then tomorrow we'll try to see. Okay, okay, then tomorrow is Sunday, right? So we'll meet Monday again. Okay, so Monday we'll meet up again. Okay, anybody having any questions? Okay, that's fine, no questions means okay, okay, that's fine. Thanks for your time. Okay. we'll meet up again Monday. Okay, okay then, fine, bye bye.